Hello, how you doing? Look, we're going to get this chicken and potato stew together today. It's a really simple method. Doesn't take long at all. You can bang it out really quickly. Welcome back to How to Cook With. So we're going straight in on this one today. In there I've got about 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using the olive oil. You can use a different oil if you want. Here's our chicken. Now as I put it in, I'll explain. We've got a 1 kg chicken here, which is 2.2 pound. Skin is on, bone is in. It's just been trimmed up a little bit and cut into these size pieces. They're fairly chunky. Now what we're going to do is for about 4 or 5 minutes we're going to get this chicken fried around, and I'm just going to add a little bit of salt and pepper to it. Just want to get a little bit of color on it with some salt and pepper. Then we're going to start adding some other ingredients. Don't have the heat up too high. See in about 5 or so minutes. So this chicken is obviously not cooked anywhere near through yet, but just got a little bit of colour on the outside. To that we're going to add 1 cup of onion, which I've cut really small. A tablespoon of chopped garlic. And then I'm going to be using a teaspoon of thyme and a teaspoon of basil or basil, whatever you call that. Oregano or oregano, rosemary, take it in any direction you want to. We're going to go for another 4 or 5 minutes, stirring fairly often. Next up, we're going to add 3 cups of potato. I've peeled those potatoes and I've cut them in that shape. You can cut them in squares or however you want really. Again, we're going to go for about another 3 or 4 minutes, getting some flavour onto those potatoes. Great stuff. Next up, we're going to get some stock. I've got some chicken stock here. We're going to pour that in. Enough to kind of just cover it, as you can see. And then we're going to let this go now for 8 to 9 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, off goes the heat. Job done. Really, really simple chicken potato stew. Got that together in no time. Piping hot, really, really simple. Just check that for salt before you take it off the stove. It's fine for me. And if you wanted, you could add some other vegetables in there, some zucchini, eggplants, carrots, whatever you want really. Some shrooms maybe. But that's it. Nice, easy, simple stuff. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.